This 2024 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 174BH no money down under $300 per month unit is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 21 feet 8 inches in length and features a modern farmhouse interior, sleeps 5, skylight, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, air conditioning, refrigerator, stove top burner, leveling jacks, awning, smoke detector, LP detector, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 174BH no money down under $300 per month unit is 3,419 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.